the kanji after kanji. Here the kanji like that, and the stroke of that kanji: first, second, third, and fourth. Then this pattern. So the sound like that: go, ushi, ata. Go, ushi, ata. And again the right. So like that. And word, sound, and meaning. 3 words we will learn. So here, saigo. Saigo. Saigo means the last, end, or conclusion. The last, end, or conclusion. So here, saigo. So sai, here, these, and then these one letter, these. So then, so sai and go. Again, sai go. Saigo means the last, end, or conclusion. Ushiro. Ushi. The sound like that. Ushi. Ushiro. Ro here is hiragana. So ushi. Ushiro. Ushiro, behind, but in the back side. Behind. Ushiro, behind. And here, atagaki, afterward. Atagaki, afterward. So ata, so here. Atagaki like that. Ki here, hiragana, atagaki, afterward. Afterward means when you write something as a short note after the literature or after the descriptions, this is afterward. This is afterward. Atagaki, afterward.